What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech and more reviews, and this time we're going to be looking at the Bosma X1. This is the smart home security system that I think you're going to like. So let's check it out.
For all time's sake.
So before we actually get this thing open and unboxed, let's look at some of these specs that are on the outside. So you get 1080p vision, you get 360 degrees, it's gonna spin all the way around. You get what we call starlight vision, we'll talk about that a little later on. It's a smart hub camera, and you're gonna get all these functions right here. So you get Wi-Fi, smart hub, you get connection to more devices if you have them, which they make more devices, starlight vision, infrared night vision, two-way audio, motion detection, sound detection, HDR video. It's capable to work with your Alexa devices, and it actually supports 128 gigabyte micro SD card. In the box, you're going to get one doorbell and one door and window detector. So let's go ahead and get this open and see what we think about it. So in the box, when you take everything out, you get the actual unit itself. We're going to set that to the side. So we got the quick start guide right here. Put that to the side. So we got our power adapter right here. It works through micro USB. Set that to the side. We have a door and window detector right here. So these two pieces actually just are gonna basically work together. Right here is the actual doorbell. So get this undone. And this is what it looks like. So let's get to the actual piece itself. Now, this is the camera. It's gonna rotate all the way around. See, I'm doing this with my hand. It's gonna go all the way around. So it goes to the very back, which is giving you your 360 degree motion. It's just not gonna swivel all the way around like that, but it does give you a full 360 degrees on your motion. So I actually have my iPad sitting over here to the side. I have the app already downloaded, so you're gonna have to download the app. It's gonna have to connect to the Wi-Fi, but what I'm going to do now is get everything set up. Then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it's gonna look when you actually have all of this set up. So stay tuned. Okay, so I actually have the app set up. I have my account, and I'm going to go to my device list, and I'm going to add a new device. And what I want to do is add the X1. So in order to do this, you're going to have it powered on, and then you're going to have to do this right here. Long press the reset button.
System reset.
System reset. And then we're going to click next. And I'm gonna allow all this. So there we go. Device is connecting. Then it's gonna say, what Wi-Fi do you want to connect to? I'm gonna put my Wi-Fi password in. The Wi-Fi connecting is working on the 2.4 gigahertz network. Now it's gonna pair. It's just getting
Wi-Fi connected successfully.
There we go. I'm gonna just rename it to Bosma. There we go. And we should be ready. Now, so you can see me right there. You see my actual studio and stuff back here, mic over here. We're good to go. Okay, now to talk is gonna be crazy, because if I do that, it's gonna get a lot of feedback because I'm sitting right here in the room. So what I want to do is set it on automatic. So it's gonna automatically just kind of cruise around the room. Check that out. Now you can do this from anywhere in the house, anywhere that you're hooked up to Wi-Fi. As long as your Wi-Fi in the house is working and this is on, it's gonna actually just auto rotate back and forth between the 2 points that's already set up on it. Now let's stop it right there, and you can take a snapshot, which you got to enable that first. Snapshot again. It's gonna save it. Next thing you can do is you can listen into the room. feedback. So I knew that was gonna happen, but you get tons of feedback. Speakers do work though, nice and clear, sounds good. Picture looks great. I'm gonna actually turn the lights out in a moment. Let's see. So you can change all your sharpness and your settings right there. You can turn on a siren, which you're not gonna do that. And you can actually turn the device itself by touching the screen. There we go. Right here. Turn to the left. There we go. So you can rotate the device throughout the room without being in the room. Anywhere that you are, you're gonna get a decent picture with this. Now I'm gonna blow this up, flip it around, and let's do this. I'm gonna turn this. Go. Just gotta hold it down for a moment. And once it activates, there you go. So it's also picking up these sound detections right there from the mic. And that's it, guys. It's a pretty neat little device. So like I said, 360 degrees on your video. You have the auto rotate, which is right here. You got a nice clean picture. You have the, well, let's turn the lights out and see if we can get some of the night vision to work in color. So give me just one moment. So I actually want to just try out the starlight vision because you're supposed to be able to see in color even at night. I've turned that feature on the camera itself, so I got it turned on. Now I'm going to turn out all the lights and let's see what happens. Hey Google, turn off the studio.
Sure, turning off studio.
Okay, so there we go. Turn off the lights and you can still see the blue on my phone. You can see the color in my shirt and it works. It really does work. Now, this is probably one of the first cameras that I have seen. Oh, getting that nice disappearing effect on my fingers with that camera. But this is one of the first cameras that I have seen that will actually do this effect, that will give you the colors in the night vision. Everything else is normally on like a grayscale, but so this is actually the true night vision mode. As you can see, I have it on that auto rotate mode. And when you have this going, now basically I would say that I like the true night vision better than the color. The color night vision is going to require you to have some type of light in the room at the time, but this one is going to be the most secure and the best way to actually have security in your home. And then we swap back to the lights and it comes back on in full effect. Got your HD video, looks good, no problems. It's a go. So next thing we want to do is actually check out the accessories. So let's see, go into your settings on this device in the app and there is an accessories tab. You're going to click on accessories and first thing is the doorbell. So take the plastic strip out, hold down for 3 seconds. And there we go. So it's now finding that accessory. I'm gonna add, and there we go, done. So now let's see. There we go. Doorbell works. We got that on deck. Door sensor. All right, so I got the tab out. Same thing. We're gonna press this little button right here. Hold it down for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna find it. And I'm gonna add it. There we go. We are done. So it should let me know when somebody comes in the room. Okay, there we go. Door sensor event detected. So I can put these up anywhere and it's gonna work whenever it's triggered. No issues, no worries whatsoever. So I like this little device. The video is good on it. It has a slight fisheye look to it, but it's still good. It detects sound, it detects motion. So they also have extra cameras, extra accessories. So I'm gonna drop a link below so you can go and check them out for yourself. And then I didn't mention you put your micro SD card right back here in the back. So micro SD card is gonna fit in up top. If you can see that right there, get a good shot of it. Micro SD card going in right up top, and it's gonna actually fit up to 128 gigabytes on that card. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. I'm gonna drop that link below so you can go and check this out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.